Rewarding aspects of my work has been the interaction with a super group of colleagues and friends in the atmospheric sciences community. Work hard, show determination and self-focus and discipline. You can accomplish anything. Follow your dreams. If you have a goal and you want to achieve it, then work hard and do everything you can to get there. And one day it will come true. I believe that anyone can be what they want to be. It just comes down to hard work. The expectations of life depend upon diligence. The machine that would perfect his work must first sharpen his tools. I have been so lucky to work with such great people that are such hard workers and have such a respect and appreciation for one another. Keep doing some kind of work that the devil may always find you employed. Teamwork makes the dream work, but a vision becomes a nightmare when the leader has a big dream and a bad team. Concentrate all your thoughts upon the work at hand. The sun rays do not burn until brought to a focus. If in our daily life we can smile, if we can be peaceful and happy, not only we, but everyone will profit from it. This is the most basic kind of peace work. The power of one is, if fearless and focused, is formidable, but the power of many working together is better. Behaving like a princess is work. It's not just about looking beautiful or wearing a crown. It's more about who you are inside. If you want to become a great chief, you have to work with great chiefs, and that's exactly what I did.